Welcome back, you beautiful people. Look at that incredible view behind me of Whistler Village. Stunning, isn't it? Right, mountain biking's all about mud, dust, good times, sweat and tears. Now at a legal age, mountain biking and beer go hand in hand. There's nothing better than ending a long, hot, dusty ride with an ice cold beer in my hand. Don't get me wrong, it's not for everyone. And us dudes at GMBN don't advise that you drink and ride. But for your entertainment and an experimental purposes, I nominate myself for this challenge. Am I faster or slower hungover? But first we need a route or a route. Right, let's talk about my route that I'm going to be taking. So I'm going to start all the way down here at the trailhead where I'll start my ascent. I'll click the timer, I'll do this zigzag all the way to the top where I'll stop my timer at the trailhead of Golden Boner. From there, I'll start my time again for my descent. I'll ride down Golden Boner, which is a black diamond, and then cut across to Roam the Loam, where it'll end where I started at the beginning. I'll stop my time right there, and we'll find out if I am slower or faster hungover. Right, let's go set some times. Right, I'm gonna start my climb right here on the ski run. I'm gonna head up to an access road, jump on that, and then jump onto the Blackcomb access road, where I'll stop my timer. The finish line is gonna be the start of my descent. Timer. 3, 2, go. Oh, there we go. And stop the timer. Oh, that's it. That's the climb done. Now to set a time down. Golden Boner. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Right, time for a beer, please. Number 1. What happens when you consume alcohol? Alcoholic beverages contain an alcohol called ethanol. When we drink them, the majority of ethanol is digested, broken down, and metabolized by the liver using an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase. This turns it into a compound called acetaldehyde, which is an irritant, harmful, and may cause cancer. A hangover is a result of your body being poisoned by the acetaldehyde. Luckily, the body produces a different enzyme, which breaks down the acetaldehyde into acetic acid, more commonly known as vinegar. This either comes out in your urine or is further broken down into carbon dioxide and water, gases that we then breathe out. Our response to alcohol is entirely based on the individual. Some people can tolerate and break down much better than others. Not like myself, I am a cheap date. This depends on lots of facts, such as your age, gender, and your genetic makeup. So, how do the effects of alcohol affect your riding? Let's take a look. This is going to be interesting. I can't get out of my bike. That was... It's because I'm clipped in. Ow. Oh, I literally fell over in my clips. Like rookie error, that. To be honest, I don't feel very well. I've got a headache, the sun's bright, and I have to ride up a hill. I feel like the time going up is going to be the worst. Down, I'm going to be like, let's get this over with. Time now is 11 o'clock. I'm ready. Go. Oh, this is a horrible, horrible idea. This is not helping my headache. An e-bike. Why am I pushing so hard? Heart rate 160. Breathing. I'm nearly there. I'm done. I throw up. That's ridiculous. I beat my time. Why do I push harder when I'm hungover? Oh my gosh. Actually, I got a really good explanation about it. Oh man, my face. That was hard going. So it's one thing I've learned in my career as a slopestyle rider. It's not about endurance. It's not about that. It's about mind games. It's about getting on your A game. It's about nailing those tricks on those runs. What I found out was, if I'm overtired, if I'm super tired and I enter a competition, I react weirdly quicker. I also tend to nail the tricks because my thinking and my focus when I'm super tired is more acute. So it's like I am more dedicated in being focused on my run. And I guess that goes with the same here. I'm super tired. I've only had 3.5, 4 hours sleep. Because I went to bed at 3:30 in the morning and woke up at 8 or 7. Can't remember, my alarm was at 7. Anyway, I feel like I'm more focused and I'm more driven when I'm tired. That's my experience being tired. Anyway, all the alcohol's come out of me. So I'm soaking wet. I'm gonna set a time down this Golden Boner into Rome the Loam and see if I am quicker going down. Or maybe not, I'm tired from that. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man. Oh man. I'm tired, my arms. Oh, I feel ill now. Oh. Oh, son, beaten up. Come on, come on. No. I'm done. Why do I do it to myself? I'm done. I'm done. There we go. There we go. Are you quicker hungover? Or you just been stupid? I tell you what though, I beat my time climbing. I beat my time climbing. That's weird, right? Instantly, I lost my hangover. My headache went because I was pushing so hard. I was concentrating on just riding. Coming down, my headache came straight back because I was bouncing all over the place. Am I quicker or am I faster? I don't know. Let me look at the times and have 7 liters of water. Oh. Yeah. Right, the question is, am I faster or am I slower hungover? To an extent, with 3.5 hours sleep. Now I set a time earlier, sober, and that came in at 14 minutes and 20 seconds for the climb, which I thought was pretty good. I put the hammer down. Now, my climb today, knowing that I had that banging headache, still got it, a little bit dehydrated, the climb, because I knew I had a time to aim for, I went hard. It was weird. I just put the hammer down. I just sat in and I went for it. And I got 13 minutes and 30 seconds. It's nearly a minute quicker. At the end, I literally hammered the gas down. I dropped 2 gears and I was like, right, that's it. I can see the time, I can see the finish line, and I went for it. Now, the deciding one is the downhill one, because everyone likes to go fast downhill. I like it. So I set a time going down, sober, at 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, which I thought was quite good. I rode the track twice, so I had a practice run. Now I know it. So you think I'd go faster. So my time down, where I lost my headache on the climb, I gained the headache back coming back down, because it's rough, it's really rough. I got 4 minutes and 9 seconds. So I was actually slower coming down. Maybe because I had to concentrate a lot and I was all over the show anyway. So there we go. I highly recommend you don't do it. If you do it, make sure you rest, because for every unit of alcohol that you've consumed, it takes an hour for that unit to disappear out of your body. So if you've had like 14 units, probably a little bit more than that, then you got 16 hours or 14 hours, depending on how many units you've drunk, for it to fully come out your system. Anyway, drink responsibly. We highly recommend you don't drink and ride. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video of me suffering again. Thank you, Mr. Donahue, for this challenge. I'll see you next time.